Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to use an Aeropress coffee maker. So the Aeropress might look a little funky, but it is the key to making really great coffee, especially when you're traveling. It makes 1 cup of perfectly brewed coffee, and you can take it with you anywhere. It's super lightweight, and the method is very forgiving. So to get started brewing, I'll grab this small paper filter and put it in the basket of Aeropress and get that lightly wet. Then screw that onto the bottom of the Aeropress. For the coffee, all you'll need is 3 tablespoons of coffee, so you don't even need to weigh it out. Grind it up to a medium fine grind. Pour that into the Aeropress, and then give it a little shake to even it out the top. And pour in a little bit of water just to get the grounds wet. This is called blooming the coffee. Wait for about 30 seconds for the coffee to bloom. Okay, now fill the water up to the 3.5 mark. You'll notice ours is very well loved, so it's hard to tell where the numbers are. Then give it a stir about 20 times. Place the plunger on top of the Aeropress and then slowly depress it until you hear a hiss of air at the bottom. That is one really quick, really good cup of coffee. We have a couple other favorite methods for making coffee, our Chemex method and our cold brew method. Check out those videos and let us know if you have any questions.